Check engine light on with a P0171 code, your engine running lean, rough idle, weak acceleration, or bad fuel economy. Today, I'll show you how bad fuel injectors can cause a P0171 code and exactly how to replace them, step by step, like a professional mechanic. Now we'll fix the common P0171 engine code using just one powerful DIY method, and that's replacing the faulty fuel injector. I will teach you how to replace fuel injectors. You can easily fix the P0171 error code yourself without any hassle by following one simple method. The P0171 error code means that the engine's air-fuel mixture is too lean. This indicates that your vehicle has too much air or not enough fuel in bank 1. In this situation, you will be able to drive the vehicle for a short distance, but you should have your vehicle properly repaired as soon as possible.
If you've ever had a P0171 error code in your car, this video is for you. This video will show you how to fix the error code by repairing a potentially faulty part of your car at home.
The P0171 code means the engine is running too lean on bank 1. That means the engine is getting too much air or not enough fuel. One major cause is clogged, weak, or failing fuel injectors that can't deliver proper fuel into the engine. A faulty fuel injector can cause low or irregular fuel delivery, which can cause a jerky or loud noise when the engine is running. It can also cause the engine to vibrate, as the corresponding cylinder may not be activated. You may also see white smoke coming out of your car's tailpipe, and symptoms such as reduced mileage may also occur. Now you will see a method of fixing fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are mounted on the intake manifold in such a way that they spray fuel directly into the intake valves. Now that problem will be solved. Let's get to work. First, check the leaking fuel injectors in the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injectors have new and good seals, and never use old seals. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all together as a set. Otherwise, the engine will not run properly. To stop the leak, take some gasoline in a cup and then dip the new fuel injector in it, so that the seals are wet with gasoline and it will not leak again after it goes in. Then, insert the new fuel injectors easily and slowly. And that's how you fix a P0171 engine code with fuel injector replacement. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more professional mechanic DIY fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair video.